need to take the back off the watch to find what size battery you need. This one costs about $1.50. Using a sharp bladed screwdriver, just lever off the back. Take out the seal and the old battery. We now need to measure the exact width of the watch glass. Now's the secret. Find a bottle cap that is slightly bigger than the glass. Here we have one which is just 1mm, which is ideal. Now find a G-clamp, a bit of scrap wood and the bottle cap. When you line it all up, make sure that the seal lines up with the winder. You may find it easier to put the G-clamp in a vise, or in this case a workmate. Line it all up and gently squeeze tight, and you'll hear a distinct snap of the back, and you've done it.